The Hamburg Port Authority, gateway to the port and an employer where you'll find more than just a job.
Moin, ich bin Fynn.
Hi, I'm Fynn.
Levin.
I'm Levin. I'm training to be a construction mechanic, and me a mechatronics engineer at the HPA. Here you can plunge into responsible roles, right at the heart of the port.
Zum Beispiel war ich auf Neuwerk, hab da die Kollegen.
For example, I was on Neuwerk supporting colleagues there. Another highlight was working on the Kohlbrandbrücke. We were down on the pillars drilling holes and had a great view.
Auch eine gute Aussicht. Diese Freiheit
What really inspires me is that freedom to do anything.
begeistert.
Die Sparten wie die HPA auch.
The HPA offers a wide range of divisions and is committed to its employees. At the HPA, you're taken care of.
Wir sind dafür da, die
We're here to promote the HPA as an employer. This means that everyone knows that you can do an apprenticeship, a dual study program, or find a job at the HPA and start your career straight from campus, school or university, so to speak. Whether it's technology or administration, we support you from day one.
Ich würde sagen, dass
I'd say that it's the mix that makes it special. I'm doing electrical and mechanical engineering.
Generell das Schweißen an sich.
I love welding in general, working with temperature and heat. Also the drive you feel when you don't get something right the first time. You know you'll do it better next time. If you show that you're keen, everyone's always motivated to show you new things and teach you new skills. Everything goes hand in hand.
jeder soll
The trainees should get to know the full range of what the HPA has to offer so that they can decide for themselves what they're really passionate about, and so they can find a place where they feel at home, where they can work with enthusiasm and where they want to work long term.
im Team fühle ich mich auf
I definitely feel very comfortable in the team. Everyone's very open. Respectful cooperation is very, very important at the HPA. Start an apprenticeship at the Hamburg Port Authority, where we shape the future together because
Port is what we do.
Port is what we do.
Port is what we do.